In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Webex password. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to update it for security reasons, following these steps will ensure your Webex account remains secure and accessible. First, let's start by heading over to webex.com. This is the official website where you'll manage all of your account settings. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Once you're there, you'll need to log in if you haven't already done so. Use your current login credentials to access your account. Once logged in, you'll notice a menu bar at the top of the page. Look to the right side of this bar and you'll see an option labeled More Settings. Click on it. This section houses various account management tools that allow you to customize your Webex experience. Next, you'll want to click on Profile. This option is straightforward to find once you're in the settings area. Your profile page is where you'll be able to view and update your personal information, including your password. Now, scroll down the page until you find the security section. This is an important area where you can manage various security features of your account, such as two-factor authentication and password changes. It's always a good idea to occasionally review these settings to ensure your account is secure. Within the security section, locate the password option. You'll see a button labeled Reset. Click on this button to initiate the password change process. This will guide you through the steps necessary to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. A tough-to-crack password is your best defense against unauthorized access. Once you've reset your password, remember to save it in a secure place. You might consider using a password manager to keep track of your passwords safely. This ensures you won't have to go through the reset process again in the near future due to a forgotten password. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Webex password. Changing your password regularly is a good practice to maintain security across all your online accounts. Keep this in mind and make sure to revisit these steps periodically to ensure continued security. This quick guide will teach you how to change your Webex password with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.